Welcome students. Today we are going to start the last session, that is session number 3 of coordinate geometry, chapter number 3 of class 9th mathematics. Now we are going to discuss about the assignment questions what I have given in the last session, that is session number 2. So this is the first question. Locate the following points on Cartesian plane taking the scale 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on both the axes. Okay, so first point is 3 2. So I told you in the previous session also, first coordinate you have to see on x axis. तो पहले x axis का ये वाला है जो मैं अभी जो हाइलाइटर से दिखला रहा हूँ, and you have to move up to 2 तक मूव करना है आपको. So यहाँ पे मूव हो गया. So this is the point. Okay, 3 2. Now the second one is -3 -5. So -3 x-axis we have to move towards -3 on x-axis. Now -5 is downward, नीचे की तरफ है, तो वहां से हम लोग -5 की ओर आते रहेंगे, right? -5 की तरफ आ रहे हैं और यहाँ पे रुक जाएंगे, right? So this is the point B. -3 -5. The next point is 5 -7. So 5 x-axis, again it belongs to x-axis. The value is it is x coordinate. So 5 पे आ जाएंगे और 7 तक -7 तक जाएंगे. So -7 is again downward. We have to move downward. So we are moving towards downward. Okay, up to -7. So this is -7. Right, 5 -7. Now next is 6 -6 3. So -6 x पे जाएंगे और 3 is above, तो 3 तक जाएंगे हम लोग, right? We are moving towards 3. So this is 3. So this is -6 3. Now point E is 4 0. Now here y coordinate is 0, that means it belongs to x axis. एंड कहाँ पे रखना है? 4 पे रखना है. सो 4 यहाँ पर है, दिस प्लेस. ओके, इसको मार्क कर लिए. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज f, दैट इज 0 -3. 0 -3 here x coordinate is 0, so it belongs to y axis. y axis पे कहाँ पर होगा? -3 पे. so -3 यहाँ पर है, right? so this is f. now one more is 2 more left. G is 0 0. So 0 is nothing but it is origin. So origin यहाँ पर है, दोनों का point of intersection. Okay, now the last one is -7 0. -7 0, again y coordinate is 0, that means it belongs to x axis. x axis पे कहाँ पर होगा? -7 पे. So here it will be there. So this is the answer of first question. Now let us move towards the second question. Find the coordinates of the point shown on the graph. So first we'll start with A. So A का जो the value of x coordinate is 1 and the value of y coordinate is 3. ठीक है, so इसका हो गया 1 3. Now B, the value of x coordinate is first 2 and the value of y coordinate is 1. So coordinate is 2 1. C is lie on x axis और x axis पे y coordinate 0 होता है. So its coordinate is -2 0. Now the next one D. D, the value of x coordinate is with respect to the value of x axis, that is -4, and y coordinate is with respect to the y axis, that is 2. So -4 2 is the coordinate. And the next one is E. E third quadrant में है. So the value of x is -3 and the value of y is -2. So -3 -2. Now F, next point is F. F lies on y axis, so its x coordinate will be 0 and its value of y is -4. So coordinate is 0 -4. Now next G, the value of G x कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ g इज 4, यहाँ पे 4 है, और नेक्स्ट जो y द वैल्यू ऑफ y इज -2. So 4 -2. Okay. Now the next one is h lies on x-axis. So y coordinate is 0 and the value of x is 5. So coordinate is 5 0. Next is I. The point I is with respect to the value of x with respect to x-axis is 2 and the value of y is -1. So 2 -1 is the coordinate. Next is j. The value of x coordinate is with respect to x-axis is 4 and the value of y coordinate is 5. So coordinate is 4 5. Now one more coordinate is left, that is k. K का जो x coordinate होगा with respect to x-axis, that is -2, and with respect to y-axis the value of y coordinate is 5. So -2 5. So we have completed the answers of the assignment questions. Now we are going to solve. Already we have completed the chapter. We are going to complete the we are going to do the some additional questions. So all together we are going to do 10 questions. Okay. So this is the first question. Write whether the following statements are true or false, or justify your answer. Point 30 lies in the first quadrant. So whenever any coordinate is 0, I already told in the second and first session also, it belongs to either x-axis or y-axis. So y coordinate is 0, it belongs to x-axis, and x coordinate is 0, it belongs to y-axis. So यहाँ पर y coordinate 0 है, that means it belongs to x-axis. So answer is false. Next, point 1 -1 and -1 1 lie in the same quadrant. No, because 1 -1 belongs to second quadrant, right? Sorry, fourth quadrant, because the value of x is right hand side and the value of y is the below. So right hand side below is the fourth quadrant and the -1 1 belongs to second quadrant. So दोनों का quadrant अलग अलग है. Okay. Now the next one, the coordinates of a point whose ordinate is -1/2 and abscissa is 1 are -1/2 1. This is also false. Why? Because ordinate is y coordinate and abscissa is x coordinate. So इसका correct answer होगा 1 - 1/2. Now the third one, the fourth one, a point lies on y-axis at a distance of 2 units. From the x-axis, its coordinates are 2 9. This is also false because a point lies on y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. Okay, so point will be 0 2. That is in the form of 0y. So last one, -1 7 is a point in the second quadrant. So this is correct because the value of x coordinate is left hand side, or y is above, left above is the second quadrant. Okay, so this is correct. Next, we'll move toward the second question. Find the coordinates of the point. First bit, which lies on x and y axis both. तो दोनों का जो common point होता है, that is origin. Okay, so first answer is origin, that is 0 0, and whose ordinate is -4 and which lies on y axis. So a point lies on y axis, its x coordinate will be 0 and the value of ordinate, that is y coordinate, is given -4. So इसका coordinate हो जाएगा 0 -4. Okay. Next one, whose abscissa is 5 and which lies on x-axis. Again the point lies on x-axis, its y coordinate is 0 and here the abscissa means x coordinate is given, so its point is 5 0. Okay. Now we'll move toward this is question number 3. Without plotting the points, indicate the quadrant in which they will lie. If first bit, ordinate is 5 and abscissa is -3. Abscissa means x coordinate is negative, that means left hand side. and ordinate is positive, that means above. So it belongs to second quadrant. Second quadrant means minus and plus. Okay. So abscissa is -3, that is x coordinate is -3, and ordinate, that is y coordinate, is 5. So sign of the coordinates is minus plus. It belongs to second quadrant. Now the second bit, abscissa is -5 and ordinate is -3. So both are negative. That means it belongs to third quadrant. Now the third bit, abscissa is -5. That is x coordinate left hand side में रहेगा, and the ordinate is 3. That means वो ऊपर रहेगा. So that is also second quadrant. Okay, first bit जैसा ही है. Now the fourth bit, ordinate is 5 and abscissa is 3. Both are positive, so it belongs to first quadrant. Okay, so third question over. Now we'll move towards the fourth question. Plot the following points and write the name of the figure obtained by joining them in order. So this type of question is very important for under this chapter. So let us plot the points. First, -3 2. So -3 2. -3 means x axis की तरफ देखेंगे हम लोग, और 2 means यहाँ से ऊपर की तरफ जाएंगे अप टू 2 तक. ठीक है. So this is P, -3 2. Now next one is Q, -7 -3. So we'll move towards -7, and -3 is down. So we'll move towards up to -3. So this is the point, right? Now R is 6 -3. So 6 से 3 की तरफ -3 की तरफ मूव करेंगे, वो it will be downward. So -3 तक आगे हम लोग आगे. So this is 6 -3. Now next is 2 2. So 2 से 2 तक मूव करेंगे ऊपर की तरफ. So this is 2 2. So we got the 4 coordinates. Now we have to join them in order. So first we'll join PQ, right? Then we'll join QR. Then we'll join RS. उसके बाद we'll join PS. So if we observe carefully, it is a trapezium. Okay, this figure is trapezium. So fourth question over. Now let us move towards the fifth question. Points A, B, and D, C is not there, are 3 vertices of a square ABCD. Plot these points on a graph paper and hence find the coordinates of the vertex C. So we are going to plot first point A, 5 3. So 5 से move करेंगे हम लोग up to 3. So this is 5 3. Now -2 3. -2 is left hand side. So -2 से 3 की तरफ move करेंगे above. So this is -2 3. 5 -4. 5 से -4 means 5 से downward की तरफ -4 तक move करेंगे. So यहाँ पर -4 आ गया, right? Now what we will do, we will join these lines first. So पहले AB join कर लिए, then we'll join AD, then we'll draw the parallel lines from these two. पहले इससे parallel draw कर लिए, perpendicular to AB and parallel to AD, and next through D we are going to join this point. So both are intersecting at point -2 -4. So this is the C, right? C is in third quadrant. Now see, हम लोग का जो C है वो third quadrant में है. Ordinate is -4, that is y coordinate, and abscissa is -2, right? So its coordinate is -2 -4. So this is question number 5. This is also very important question. Whatever the practice questions we are going to do in this session, all are important questions. Okay, now let us move towards this question. Write the coordinates of the vertices of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 5 and 3 units respectively. One vertex at the origin and the longer side lies on x-axis, and one of the vertices lie in the third quadrant. Okay, so this point is very important. One of the vertices lies in the third quadrant. So first of all, one of the vertex is origin, right? It is clearly mentioned, and length lies on x-axis up to 5 units will be -5 0. Let it be A, and breadth must lie on y-axis the shorter one, that is also it is given, and it is not given actually. वो perpendicular होगा ना तो x axis में जाएगा, दूसरा y axis पे रहेगा अगर उसका जो vertex origin में है तो. Okay, so now the next one, this is the vertex of origin, and this is the vertex of A, and I told you that the next will be lie on y axis. Y axis will be negative side में. Why? Because one of the vertex lies in the third quadrant. Okay, so coordinate of C, the next last point, coordinate of C would be 0, -3. One of the vertex, say B, lies in the third quadrant, thus B must be -5 and -3. So this is the last coordinate. Okay, so now we are going to join. First A is OA, then OC, then BC, then AB. So हम लोग का rectangle मिल गया, right? Hence coordinates of the vertices are A -5 0, B -5 -3, C 0 -3, and O 0 0. So this is question number 6. Now we'll move towards next question, question number 7. Plot the points P, Q, S. Find the coordinates of the point S R such that PQRS is a square. So this is also the similar question what we did in question number 5. So this is the graph, blank graph, scale सबका सारे graph का scale same scale है, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So you have to write by yourself. Now we are going to plot the point. सबसे पहले P 1 0, y coordinate is 0, that means it belongs to x axis. X axis पे कहाँ होगा? 1 पे होगा. Q 4 0, again y coordinate is 0, it belongs to x axis. कहाँ पे होगा? 4 पे होगा. 4 0. Next is S. S is 1 3. So 1 3 कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पर 1 है और यहाँ से 3 तक मूव करना है. So यहाँ पर 1 3 है. Now we have to find the fourth coordinate, that is R. So first we'll draw the line. This is PQ, this is PS. Now उसमें भी हम लोग वैसे ही किए थे, parallel lines draw करना है. First we'll draw the parallel line to PS. Okay, then parallel to the PQ through S, both will intersect at point. उसका y coordinate x coordinate 4 है और y coordinate 3 है, right? So if you observe the carefully, the R point is 4 3. So this is the answer, right? Question number 7. Now we'll move towards question number 8. Plot the points A 1 -1 and B 4 5. Draw a line segment joining these points. Write the coordinates of a point on this line segment between the points A and B. And the second bit is extend this line segment and write the coordinates of a point on this line which lies outside the line segment AB. Okay, so ये blank graph हो गया. So सबसे पहले we are going to plot the points A and B. 1 -1. So 1 is here. We'll move towards -1 up to downward side. तो ये हो गया आपका 1 -1. Next is 4 5. So x 4 है, 4 से हम लोग up to 5 तक मूव करेंगे. यहाँ पर आ गया. So 4 5. Now we'll join these two lines. अब इसके बीच में बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स हैं, बट कोई एक पॉइंट लिखना है. So I'm going to write this point, this one जो हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ मैं, Q 2 1. So we can write this one also 3 3 भी लिख सकते हैं. So first part is over. Now I'm going to extend this line. First part is over. Now extend this line up to here. So ये for 5 और 7 पे this point is 5 7. ये point का जो x coordinate, x axis का value 5 है, that is abscissa, and the ordinate is 7. So point is 5 7, which is lying outside. उसको और extend करेंगे तो दूसरा value भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so this is question number 8. Now next question number 9. Triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle with points Q and R. Find the coordinates of the vertex P. So see figure carefully. यहाँ पे OQ जो है वो उसका जो डिस्टेंस है वो 2 है, and the distance of OR, see carefully, the distance of OQ is 2 and OR is also 2, so the total distance is 4, right? So QR is equals to 4 units, right? Now if we consider uh, no, this is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, so PQ is also 4 units, PR also 4 units. Now we are going to take triangle, this one, and we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. ये वाला जो triangle है जिसको मैं अभी green से shade कर रहा हूँ, this triangle we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so Pythagoras theorem अगर हम लोग apply करते हैं, so first of all triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal, all sides are equals to 4 units. Now in triangle PQO by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square, the square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of the square of other two sides. So PQ square is equals to OQ square plus OP square. So we need to find OP. So OP square can be written as PQ square minus OQ square. Now substitute the value of PQ and OQ, we'll get 12. So OP is equals to root 12. रूट 12 टू रूट 3 होगा, ठीक है. इट मे बी माइनस ऑल्सो, बट क्योंकि वो ऊपर साइड में है इसलिए पॉजिटिव वैल्यू होगा. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ ओपी इज 2 रूट 3. सो वर्टेक्स ऑफ व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट पी, 0 2 रूट 3. तो ये हो गया 9th क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडेज सेशन, दैट नंबर 10. In figure, triangle AOB with coordinates of A and O as 4, 0 and 0, 0. Now the length AB is given 5. Okay, the length AB is given. So what is the length OA? OA कितना होगा? 4 units. Okay, and AB is 5 units. So we can find the value of OB by using Pythagoras theorem because it is a right triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square is equals to OB square plus OA square. So 5 square is equals to 4 square plus OB square. Now what is 5 square? 25, and 4 square is, okay, 5 square is 25 and 4 square is 16. So 16 को यदि हम लोग इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो वो हो जाएगा -16. So OB square is equals to 25 minus 16, that will become 9. And if we take square root, we'll get plus minus 3. Now B क्योंकि ऊपर में है इसलिए हम लोग उसको पॉजिटिव लेंगे क्योंकि पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ y एक्सिस में दिया हुआ है. So the coordinate of B is 0, 3. Okay, so now we have completed all 10 practice questions. Okay, so in the next session we are going to start new chapter, that is linear equation in 2 variable, right? So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.